Hi, my name is Allie Blankenship, and I will be covering veterans returning to the workplace. As of 2016, we have learned that 21 million veterans live in the United States. Over 2.8 million have transitioned into civilian life. Transitioning into civilian life can be very difficult. Veterans come home with specialized skills and permanently life-changing wounds and injuries, whether they be visible or otherwise. Some veterans have never held a job outside of the military. A survey done by the Pew Research Center reported that 43% of post-9/11 veterans that returned home said that they had at least one emotional, traumatic event in their time. This is known as the largest obstacle in re-entry process. These experiences can decrease a successful re-entry by about 26%. 43% of veterans deal with flashbacks or repeated memories of the event. 34 of the 46% who have been afflicted with PTSD have reported a fairly easy re-entry. PTSD can affect a veteran's everyday life, but it can also affect job performance. Veterans with PTSD often have trouble getting a job, often miss work, have difficulties relating to coworkers, can become easily frustrated, and substance abuse is also common among veterans with PTSD. A report done by the RAND Corporation said that veterans are more likely to survive extensive injuries post 9/11 because before then most injuries were too complex. Having a permanent impairment can make it even harder to have a successful re-entry by 19%. This is another major factor affecting reintegration. The survival rate has risen 20% since the Vietnam War, but the amputation of limbs has nearly doubled since 9/11. Having these physical impairments require veterans to find jobs that will accommodate their unique needs. Head and neck injuries are 1/3 of the casualties that we see. These injuries can affect cognition and memory and can also cause mood swings. The military has taken steps to try and help these challenges that veterans face. The military will subsidize a college education through the GI Bill that can be taken advantage of after separation. After separating, you have the next 5 years to use the free counseling and the educational support programs that they offer. They also offer rehabilitation services for those with service-related disabilities, and they offer grants to businesses who hire unemployed veterans. With so many potential roadblocks, an easy re-entry into civilian world is far from guaranteed. However, with the right support, reintegration is possible.